All right, so we're gonna multiply, and the rules that we need to know are a to the m times a to the n. This is the product rule for exponents. That's a to the m plus n. And then we also need to know the quotient rule. So this is a to the m minus n. And I think that's that's the extent of what we need. If something else comes up, I'll write out the rule, but we're gonna multiply the 12 and the 2, which is 24. Then we need to multiply the x squared and the x cubed. And I'm gonna leave them separate for now. Then the a times 5, that's 40. The q squared and the q cubed, we'll put those next to each other. And then the x to the 4th power and x squared. So let's go ahead and use this rule. Basically add the exponents. So we've got 24 x to the 5th and 40 q to the 5th x to the 6th. Okay. I'm gonna reduce the fraction. So 24 40ths. 4 goes into those. In fact, eight goes into them. So 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 8 goes into 45 times. There's nothing to do with a q to the 5th power, so we'll leave that one. But it's this, it's these two that I need to work with. So the way I'm going to write them out is x to the 5th well, I'm going to subtract the exponent. So x to the 5 minus 6, because I'm using this rule. And so my final answer is 3x to the negative 1. And actually, I have one more step. Over 5 q to the 5th. Oops. The final step. So I did need another rule. So let me write down the other rule down here. And it's that if I have x to the negative m, it's 1 over x to the m. In other words, I'm gonna bring this down and write it as x to the 1, but x to the 1 we sometimes write without the exponent. And so hopefully you were able to follow the process to get to that, which is the final answer.